Thank you, Mr. Davis.
You've been hit by.
Looking ass.
That hat came with the dreads.
You make
The hat and the dreads are one piece. I object that.
Like this man has no accountability for those Puma shoes to go with those jeans. There's a disrespect that is happening there to your ankles, sir.
Put your butt in the suit. It's hanging out, man. Damn, you ain't supposed to have your ass out in the suit jacket on.
We let Kraig sit up here and talk about, I'm gonna get those turtles. You know what I'm saying?
Your Honor, I object. Boo is a rapper that died in the 90s.
Listen. Hopefully he can return that fucking jacket to the pool table he snatched it off from. We can get out of this place.